So I was just playing around in the kitchen one day, and I knew that mushrooms have amazing qualities, and so does spinach. Both are high in selenium, which are super good for your health. And I thought, you know what? What if I made a mushroom spinach sauce for my pasta? I bet that'd taste really good. So I want to show you how to make it because it is so tasty. I even put it on potatoes, or you can put it on bread. Let's take a look. So here's how you make the mushroom spinach sauce. We're going to take 12 mushrooms and we're going to chop them. We're going to add 3 cups of chopped spinach, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to saute it for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to blend it in the KitchenAid until it's smooth. So first we're going to take our mushrooms. What I do is you just want to brush them off. You don't want to wash your mushrooms, and I'll just take a paper towel, or if you have a mushroom brush, you just brush off the debris, and then we're going to cut them. You can just quarter them like this. This one's brushed off too, and I cut off the stem, and we just put them together like this. Now we're going to add our ingredients into the pan. The pan has been warming. So we're going to add here our olive oil. We have 3 tablespoons of olive oil because remember we're making a sauce, so we want a fair amount of oil so the sauce is nice and loose. We're now going to add our mushrooms. We can add our salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. You can add garlic if you choose. I didn't, but it wouldn't hurt. And then you add your spinach. I chop it so it cooks down easier. And now I've turned it on to medium high, and we're going to start bringing it up to a boil, sauteing it. I'm going to put a lid on this and let it start cooking. Well, look at that. That is beautiful. Sauteed to perfection and ready to be pureed in the KitchenAid. Again, if you want to ever add garlic to this, this would make it a really beautiful pasta sauce with added garlic. So now we're going to add it into the KitchenAid in order to puree it. We snap the lid on and puree it until it is completely smooth. If you need to scrape it in between, feel free to open it, scrape it, and start again. Now it's all pureed. It does take a few minutes, so let it go until it is completely pureed together. Then we're going to take it, and we've got some fresh pasta here. We're going to serve it on top of our fresh pasta. It is so delicious. That is so delicious. And then we're going to take some Parmesan cheese, if you like that, and you're going to sprinkle it just on top. What a beautiful dish this is, and so healthy too. This is our beautiful pasta with a spinach and mushroom sauce. This is so nutritious and delicious, and even your kids are gonna like it. You've got to make this. Spread it on toast. You can put it on your potatoes, your baked potatoes. You can put it on pasta. It's so delicious. You will try this again and again. Enjoy.